What's the meaning of blini? Blini. Blini.
Blini. Blini. Blini is a type of traditional Russian pancake that is usually made of buckwheat flour and yeast. These thin and round pancakes are typically served with sour cream, caviar, smoked salmon, or jam. The word blini comes from the Old Slavic word blinu, which means to pour. Blinis have a long history in Russian culture and are often associated with festivals and holidays, such as Maslenitsa, the pancake week leading up to Lent, and the Russian New Year's Eve celebration. They are a staple food in Russian cuisine and can be enjoyed anytime, whether as a sweet or savory dish. Additionally, blinis have gained popularity outside of Russia and can now be found on menus around the world, often served with a variety of toppings.